Alright, so this is vlog number 1. In this video I'm going to basically go over the vehicle, introduce it, and just kind of go over mods that are done to it right now. And then in later videos I'll go over, the plans for each kind of area of the car, suspension, motor, interior, all that. So I'll try and run through it pretty quick just to get it basically all explained, and then after that I'll get into more detail with what's to come. Alright, so this is the car. It's a 98 Honda Civic SI, Canadian model. This one did have a B16 in it at one point or another, but it's recently been changed to D16. So I put this one in probably a little over a year ago now. Did it in the winter last year, was able to get it running, and I got just a kind of light street tune on it right now. It's running about 1 bar or 14 pounds of boost. It's got a turbo and X turbo, towel wastegate, turbo smart blow off valve, skunk 2 intake manifold, and then all the typical D series internals, so Vitera pistons, Eagle rods. It's got a stage 2 Zex turbo cam. It does have port and polish on the head. It does run pretty well so far. I'm hoping to get it tuned on the dyno this summer. It's kind of the plans, so I'll talk more about that when I go over the motor setup in more detail in the next video. Alright, so right now it's got some 16x7 plus 40 Rota grids on it. I do have a set of plus 45 Sparco RR rims as well, so still deciding on what I'm going to do with that. But it's also got function informed Type 1 coilovers, skunk 2 front camber kit, and then in the rear it's got a ASR subframe brace, BWR lower control arms, and it does have energy suspension bushings in the trailing arms. Alright, so this is the interior right now. It's got a Momo Monte Carlo steering wheel, AEM boost and AFR gauges, EL cluster. It does have a full interior. It's currently just pulled out because it is going to be getting painted, hopefully. Right now it's just got some eBay SI black floor mats. It's got a black aftermarket carpet put in. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on in the interior for now, but there is, like I said, lots to come for this too. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this car. There is definitely a lot more going for it that I could go into, but this is just basically, like I said, an introduction, kind of get you up to speed with what the car is and where it's at. So just going over it once more, it's a 98 Honda Civic Si. It's got a 98 EL front conversion on it. It's definitely a project, but it's gonna come out nice. Alright, so hopefully that gave you guys an idea of what the car is. I'm gonna go over everything a little more in the next couple of videos. Probably go over the plans for the paint, what other exterior mods are gonna happen, plans for the interior, and plans for the motor, and plans for suspension and wheels. So once I get that all figured out, I'll make a couple videos and put them up, and that'll get into a little more detail. Alright, see you in the next one.